Hi, my name is Sarah Thomas, and I am the founder of the Upper Clarity School of Stone Medicine. So I'm a longtime healer, acupuncturist, and educator, and my special expertise is how to work with stones and crystals from ancient Daoist lineages and really the old ways of working with stones and minerals for healing and awakening. I would like to invite you to a really special thing. We're doing a brand new 7-week course on the foundations of Daoist stone medicine and how to really step into healing and awakening with stones. And it goes from the scientific and the real classification stones, such a grounding understanding of stones, up into this beautiful, intuitive, magical stones are the most magical kingdom of all of the earth kingdoms. And you will feel so inspired as you take this walk through these 7 stones that we're going to learn in the class. So in the class, you'll learn how to make stone elixirs, how to work with the stones from within through these powerful mystical practices, how to work with grids and on the body treatments. And the purpose of it is that you have your own real relationship with these stones and can actually connect with them and talk to them yourself and move forward in healing and awakening with yourself and others with these stones. So this is the pearl in the oyster. It is the gem in the rough. There is no other crystal class like this out there. And if you were ever going to take a crystal class, this is the one with the depth and the breadth that you've been looking for and that you've needed. This is the one that goes so back into the ancient past and really lets us stand on the shoulders of real lineages and bring back the power of stone medicine. So come to this brand new, this is such a great opportunity, 7-week course in stone medicine and crystal healing. I'll see you there.